Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen using noodles. First, gather all your ingredients, including your chosen ramen noodles and any seasoning packets. Make sure you have a pot, water, and a reliable heat source ready to go. If you plan to add extra items like an egg or some vegetables, have those prepped and nearby. This initial step ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Bring the recommended amount of water to a rolling boil in your pot. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add your ramen noodles. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they reach your desired tenderness. Be sure not to overcook them as they can become mushy quickly. With your noodles perfectly cooked, it's time to add the flavor. Turn off the heat and stir in the seasoning packet that came with your ramen. This is also the perfect moment to add any toppings you've prepared, such as a perfectly soft-boiled egg or some fresh green onions. Gently mix everything together to ensure the flavors are well combined. Your delicious ramen is almost ready. Carefully pour the hot ramen into your favorite serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh herbs or a small drizzle of sesame oil. Now, it's time to sit back and savor your homemade ramen. Enjoy every warm, flavorful spoonful immediately while it's at its best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.